Hello everyone, welcome to my little workshop here in Newmarket in England. What I'm trying to do is build an affordable grinder. I started off in knife making with a small 1x36, which was fine to start off with, but unfortunately you always want something bigger and stronger. So I modified it, changed it. Finally it fell apart because I'd done too much to it. The next thing I did was weld up this old girl, which is 2x60. She's great. I use it every day. She's still going, even though she looks very tatty. This one, I've come up with a 400 watt bench grinder, and that extra arm, what you can do is put a buffer on there, which you're always going to need a buffer at some stage. This one's got a hydraulic arm, a little piston, tracking wheel, then we've got an adjustable table, which if we get those two screws there, move those out, the table's going to go backwards and forwards. This bolt here is easily undone, and then we can move that forwards and backwards, which helps a lot when you've got a bevel jig. I started off with a bevel jig. I think everyone's going to start off with a bevel jig, and then once you figure out how that works, how your arms work, body moves, you're going to move on to freehanding, which freehanding is great. It's lovely. Nice thing about this adjustable platen is you can put this smaller diameter, this is just bearings put together, that goes in, and then you can get into these little corners, these ones, and make these little curves so your hand fits snugly on the knife. Here's another one done in that, in there, and most importantly, bolsters. Tricky, but then you can get in there and make that nice and smooth. It's lovely. Also, if you leave that arm on, that roller on, you can get in there. Do those little bits, which you're always going to need. Just straighten that up, give it a run, show you how it works. Made all the rollers out of delrin because it's easily machinable and it's not as expensive. You can make them quicker, therefore keeping the cost down. SKF bearings. You've got to have good bearings. Unfortunately they're quite expensive, but it's better than having cheap bearings from cheap bearings are going to wear out faster. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in getting hold of one of these, please let me know. And also, anything you think I could improve on, please put in the comments below. I'm sure someone's going to comment on something. But If you want to get into knife making with a 2x72, this is the way you can get into it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.